Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Interim Administrator and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission (Nddc), Dr. AKUGHA, has reiterated the Commission's determination to complete key abandoned projects initiated by previous administrations in line with the directive of President Muhammadu Buhari. Dr. AKUGHA gave the assurance in Owerri during the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the Nddc and the government of Imo State for the recommencement and completion of 3 road construction projects in the state.
Interim Administrator and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission (Nddc), Dr. AKUGHA, was at Government House, Owerri recently to sign a Memorandum of Understanding with the Imo State Government on the completion of Avu Egbema, Umudi Nkwere and Imereve Eche road construction projects. All 3 projects awarded over 10 years ago to aid development in oil-producing areas of Imo State had been abandoned due to security challenges faced by contractors. Dr. AKUGHA acknowledged that resumption of work on the project was facilitated by improved security in the host communities, also attributed it to the many gains of the Nddc forensic audits.
This is one of the results of the forensic audit, because it was from the forensic audit, the fallout of the forensic audit, we were able to discover the project was abandoned. I'm assuring you that this time around there will be no going back. Forward ever, backward never.
During an inspection of ongoing construction of the Avu Adapam Etekuro Road leading to Oba Ebema Road, Imo State Governor Senator Hope Uzodimma hinted that the project will be jointly financed by his state and the Nddc. The Imo State Governor assured the Nddc of an enabling environment to ensure speedy completion of all 3 road projects.
We are going to support Nddc with part funding. We are going to support them with local logistics to ensure that the enabling environment is there for the contractor to work. At the end of the day, it will be a win-win situation for all of us.
Governor Hope Uzodimma, who lauded the AKUGHA-led interim administration in the Nddc on its determination to accelerate the pace of development in the Niger Delta, was optimistic that the road project would transform the socio-economic landscape of Imo State.
I'm elected, and the Imo people are appreciative of the activities of Nddc in Imo State. As soon as these 3 projects are completed, there's no doubt in my mind it will add to the economic status of the state and add additional life to our people and make life more interesting and meaningful.
In a bid to guarantee quality service delivery and timely completion of the resuscitated road construction projects, the Imo State Government and the Nddc have agreed to set up a joint project monitoring team to supervise the projects.
Inside the Niger Delta. Niger Delta Development Commission, Nddc, making a difference.